to The Angle. Let's begin our bulletin with the headlines first. On Tuesday, farmers broke barricades to enter Delhi, indulged in vandalism across several parts of the national capital. Delhi police detains 200 people. Supreme Court puts groping of a minor order on hold. Bombay High Court had passed the controversial order on January 19. 8 dead, 4 injured after truck hits bus in Rajasthan's Tonk. Injured rushed to a civil hospital in Tonk. CM Gehlot expresses grief. Petrol, diesel prices hits all-time high. Petrol price increases 2.76 rupees litre. Diesel price increases 2.88 rupees per litre. 65-year-old Indian woman named Hasina Begum, freed from Pakistani jail, returns to India. According to the information received from the police, Begum, who is a resident of Rashidpura area under the City Chowk police station limits in Aurangabad, is married to Dilshad Ahmed, who is a resident of Uttar Pradesh, Saharanpur. Begum had lost her passport in Lahore after arriving there 18 years ago to meet her husband's relatives. The Supreme Court to hear plea of 17 women officers of Indian Army regarding the Permanent Commission's judgment towards them. Women officers have approached the Supreme Court alleging that its order directing the central government to grant permanent commission to women in the Army's non-combat support units on par with their male counterparts was not properly implemented, alleging that the Army has not granted permanent commission to even 50% of women officers despite top court's judgment. A day after Delhi witnessed unprecedented violence during the Republic Day celebrations, the national capital is in shock. Delhi police has detained 200 people in connection with the violence during farmers' tractor rally in the city yesterday. One protester died and more than 80 police officers were injured. Punjabi actor Deep Sidhu has come under scrutiny for the violence in Delhi. Farmer leaders today appealed to protesting farmers to maintain peace and said their agitation against the centre's agriculture laws is a long one. Farmers meeting with Supreme Court panel postponed to January 29 due to traffic restrictions in Delhi. The committee had held its first meeting with Farmers Association from 8 states on January 21. The apex court had initially set up a 4-member committee of agriculture experts and activists, but Bhupinder Singh Maan, former president of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, declared that he would not be a part of the proceedings. The 3 remaining members, Ashok Gulati, former chairman of the Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices, Pramod Kumar Joshi, Director Agriculture Food Policy Research Institute, and Anil Ghanbat of the Shetkari Sangathan Maharashtra have asserted that they do not belong to any political party or government body. UDH Minister Shanti Dhariwal unveils Baba Sahib statue in Shivganj today. Sirohi's MLA Sayyam Lodha and RCA's President Vaibhav Gehlot also attended the event. At the same time, Dhariwal and Neeraj Dangi also associated themselves through CMR. Dhariwal also said, "I am forever grateful to Baba Sahib's contribution and always indebted towards him." A horrific road accident in Rajasthan's Tonk has led to the death of 8 members of a family from Madhya Pradesh. The accident occurred during the early hours on Wednesday around 2 a.m. when the family was travelling from Khatu Shamji in Sikar district. The vehicle in which the family was travelling was hit by a trailer near Sadar police station. Meanwhile, 4 injured members of the family have been referred to Jaipur and have been identified as Vinod, Sarita, Dilip and Daksh. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot offered condolences and expressed sorrow after the incident occurred. The Supreme Court today puts hold on the disturbing High Court order on minors groping. The groping of a minor cannot be considered sexual assault without skin-to-skin contact or if clothes were not removed, a Bombay High Court order said last week. Justice Pushpa Gandiawala said there must be skin-to-skin contact with sexual intent for an act to be considered sexual assault, not just groping. The Supreme Court today put the order on hold, allowing Attorney General K.K. Venugopal to file a petition against it. The Bombay High Court had passed the controversial order on January 19. Petrol and diesel prices hits the highest in the state. With a hike of 38 paise and 26 paise on Wednesday and Tuesday respectively, the price of petrol in Sri Ganganagar of Rajasthan has reached Rs 98.40 per litre and premium petrol has reached 201.80 per litre. In capital Jaipur, the petrol price has increased to Rs 93.86 per litre and diesel price to Rs 85.94 per litre. Meanwhile, Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan had blamed Saudi oil output cut for the increase in oil prices across the country. However, the minister remained non-committal on text. Cricket Australia confirms Indian players were subjected to racial abuse at Sydney Cricket Ground. CA confirms that members of the Indian cricket team were subjected to racial abuse. The Indian team had lodged an official complaint after the crowd at the SGC racially abused pacers Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj over the second and third day of the Sydney Test. India then defeated Australia by 3 wickets against all the odds in the final test of the series at the Gabba last week to take the series 2-1. Well, that's all we have in our bulletin today. In case you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Angle. Also, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.